Hey guys, how you doing today? I want to give you guys a quick garden tour. I'm not going to go through every single solitary plant in my garden. I'll just kind of whiz through, but I want to show you mostly what's in bloom. And right now, I have these beautiful orange tiger lilies. Let's see if I can get... There we go. Aren't those gorgeous? My mom gave these to me many, many years ago. They are just absolutely gorgeous. The whole fence row of these beauties right here. I also have some out back. And they're tall. They're really tall. Right now, they are taller than me. And I'm 5'3". So, and then we'll walk over here. And you can see I got my hydrangea that I got. She's in bloom. We'll see more of her when we get on the other side. Absolutely gorgeous. We have had so much rain. Here are some of my beautiful red and yellow lilies. Now, I do not know the name of these, but we've had so much rain that every time anything blooms, there's one of my beautiful yellow ones. It's like a beautiful butter yellow. And then some more. You can see all the, it's still got quite a bit of buds left. Look at my Dusty Millers. They're gorgeous. Look how big they are. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here is a better mound of them. The red and yellow. You can see, look at the inside. Usually they're a little bit more yellow on the inside. I do not know why they're not quite so yellow this year, but I don't know if it's, I don't know. I have no clue. And back there is some of my Rebecca. And then this thing, I do not know what it is. It's some kind of, you can see the little flowers on it. Little yellow flowers. I think, well, I don't know. I don't know what plant it was. I thought it was a penstemon, but it's not. Right here I have some more yellow, and then I have a dahlia in bloom down here. I have to get out here and stake her up. The rain has just demolished. There's a little spider. See a little spider on there? You get all the little bad buggies, would you, buddy? And then more of my Dusty Miller. My clematis is trying to bloom again. More dahlias I have to stake up. Some more of the yellow. And then look at my hibiscus. Let's step back a little bit. This is my beautiful hibiscus. She's white with red center. She's gonna start pushing open here soon. She's got some buds, or some blooms getting ready, but you can see all the buds all over. And she is loving it this year because we have had so much rain. It's a little hazy out here today, so I'm hoping the video is showing up well. If not, I'll try to edit. And then some more Rebecca. That's some that my mom gave me. It really got big this year. Isn't that pretty little daisy? I love how when they start opening, they look like little fingers. She's so cute. And then this is my beautiful hydrangea. This is my lace cap. Beautiful lady, and there's a stupid bindweed right there. But look at the different colors. It comes out purple, and then it has all the little flower buds in here, and then it kind of turns to a pink color, and then as it starts getting cooler in the fall, it will turn like a burgundy color. And I didn't even notice my Russian sage is finally blooming. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Here. I love that. It smells so good. I actually just caught a whiff of it. Then I have more over here, and then my rabbit ears. Not rabbit ears. Stella von Stein. Yeah, rabbit ears. Oh geez, my brain, as usual. But here's this is the big plant. Totally did not know it was going to get this tall, but I'll see if I can get the flower. It's just like a little daisy. I think it's some kind of a sunflower. I'm not sure. It's definitely not what I thought it was. Obviously, or I would not have planted it there. Oh, here is you can see sort of my hydrangea in bloom. We've had so much rain that that's started turning already. This is all my mint. It looks like I need to come out here and trim it back again. It's going to start going into flower. I love this mint in my water. Oh, my daisy plant back there, I cut her all back, so she should hopefully flush out and bloom again for me. And now, for my pride and joy this year, this is my Strawberry Sundae hydrangea. It's a pentacle. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that. She's so, so pretty. And I'm just so glad that she stood up to all the rain we've had. And then there's my basket. She's gone nutso crazo. This Strawberry Sundae hydrangea is just gorgeous. I just absolutely love her. I'm thinking about moving my basket, my pots, somewhere else, because it's just, there's so much going on in here. And then I have my dahlias back here, and I've come and staked some of them up, but you can see that's not a very good flower. It's my purple and white, and then I have another one right here, and then another one over there. Absolutely gorgeous. I just can't take my eyes off of this hydrangea. And she smells a little bit, not much. It's not very fragrant. And there's another one of my red lilies. And then I have all these little yellow cosmos. My mom gave these to me last year. And they are just so cute. And they spread everywhere. The seeds just drop, and there I have some cosmos. I wish my cosmos would hurry. I had to shut my camera off. A big tractor came by. But there's my beautiful corbels in bloom. I just love these. They're so beautiful and delicate. They just look so pretty. And then all my new ferns, they're popping up nicely. I got a lot of weeds. I gotta get in here and pull these weeds. Ugh. And here is my hosta. I almost forgot the name, in bloom. You can see these beautiful flowers. The pollinators and the hummingbirds love these flowers. And then there's my, I gotta get out here and cut these buds off. Oh. But did I just call those cosmos? My, not cosmos, coleus. They're all around here. So pretty. There's some more of my cosmos up here on my porch. pretty. And then here is my beautiful caladiums. They are just gorgeous. And look how they're turning color. They're getting red. I don't know if it's because they're getting a little bit of sun in the afternoon over here, or exactly why they're turning like that, but so pretty. It's my other pot of coleus. It's got a maidenhair fern in it, but you can't see it. I gotta cut her back, cut the flowers off her too. Okay, now guys, on to my elephant ears. They are doing pretty good. And my cannas back there in bloom. That's the dark leaf red canna with the orange blooms. And then my elephant ears are, oops, I'm going the wrong way. My camera. My elephant ears, and then my other hydrangeas. And all of my wonderful weeds. Oh. My canna back there, yellow. These aren't getting quite as big this year. And I do believe, I don't know if it's because I have them in pots. I know I need to feed them again after all this rain we've had. But my other hydrangeas, so pretty. Look how big, this is one big huge bloom. Look at that. It's bigger than my hand. And these are pink because of my soil. But then look at this one over here. It's the exact same hydrangea, and look how burgundy it is. And then this one is yellow. Very strange, right? And here's my other elephant ears. These are a little bigger on this side. I think it might be because they get a little more sun. My daisies, I'm going to have to come back and deadhead some of those. And then look at my beautiful mahogany splendor hibiscus. Look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? And then back here is my amaranth. Look at that. You're hearing my air conditioner. Look at the beautiful leaves. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Definitely will be growing tons of this next year. Beautiful. Alright, let's walk back down here by my pond. I have another mahogany splendor. Now this is two plants together. My other ones are one separate. Oh, and here's one of my dahlias. Oh, they want a baby grasshopper. Look at her, isn't she pretty? Look how dark the leaves are. I can't remember the name of this either. And my weeds, don't look. I grow weeds good, huh? And here's another pretty little dahlia. Isn't she pretty? I love her. And I'm not huge on red in my garden, but she is adorable. Look at her. She's got a bunch of more buds all over her. And then here is the other purple. I wonder if I can get to the tag on this one. Let me see. No, I cannot. I don't even know if I have a tag down there, but I don't want to root around too much because the mosquitoes are just awful. But, and then, oh, here's my little sunflower vine. She's going everywhere instead of going up her trellis. I've got to get out here, but we've had so much rain that, oh my God, the mosquitoes, I got to go in the shade. Alright guys, I am going to let you go. Hope you enjoyed this garden update, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Peace.